joining your MyMirror session on a mobile device. Before your session starts, you will receive an email letting you know that your session is about to begin. The email will include a link to join the session. Click the link in the email and you will be taken directly to the log-on page. This can also be found at the top of the website on a mobile device. Once you are logged on, you can then view the upcoming session on the dashboard. You will see a countdown to the session start time. This will be visible for 1 hour before your session. When the session is about to begin, click Start Session to enter. You will be prompted to allow access to your camera and microphone. Click Allow to enable both. Once your audio and video are set, click Join Session. If your psychologist has not yet arrived, you will be placed in a virtual waiting room until they join. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer success team on 02 9090 4730 or hello@mymirror.com.au.